it's me, Amy Leesha. Welcome back to another video where I show you, I don't know what I'm showing you, the secret to looking good in glasses. I feel like this is a requirement for any beauty channel to do a glasses makeup look. Apparently there is a specific look you need to do to look good in glasses. So I'm here to share the secret that no other channel has told you or is probably ever gonna tell you about looking good in glasses. The secret is putting on some makeup, wearing the glasses. You did it. I'm gonna go as far as saying you don't even have to do your makeup, put on your glasses. On that note, hope you guys enjoyed. It's been a good one. I'm just gonna wrap this up, but you now know everything. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go. On another note, I will show you how I got this look and just some little tips that I think help when wearing glasses, and I love that. So let's just do it. I don't think there is a certain way you need to wear your makeup when wearing glasses. But if you want to look like a really cute librarian, I can show you that. I wear glasses all the time. I'm half blind. When I think cute, sexy librarian, I think natural, dewy skin. So I want to look hydrated. I think librarians are very hydrated people, and people who wear glasses mostly are hydrated. And if not, go drink some water. So I'm going to go in and prime with the Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. We're just going to smear that all over my face. I'm pretty sure this is what's gonna make you look good with glasses. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Luminous foundation because librarians are really luminous. The shade 160C. The pump on this is broken. Ugh, that's a shame. Just gonna put a little extra around my chin area to cover up my scarring. I feel like I can say I'm a real teen now because I've got acne scarring for the first time in my life. I went and had extraction done because the dermatologist was like, this is gonna be good for you, go get that done. Okay, did it. Then my face got so much worse and I was a swollen balloon. Also, my face was super painful. I don't know what it's like getting wisdom teeth out, but I feel like it was that, but external. It was really weird and now my face has got all these scars on it. So love that. I feel like I'm living the real teen life. That's exciting for me. Let's just blend this in. I don't often use a sponge to blend in my foundation, but today I'm going to. I have this black sponge. I don't know where it's from. I got it in a BoxyCharm one time. Don't get me wrong, it does have a beautiful finish, but my arm hurts from mashing this sponge into my face repetitively for the last 10 minutes. Who has time for that? Now I do like to go over the top with a concealer that matches my foundation just in these regions to cover my scarring. Reduces the amount of cake on my face and just gets those particular areas. And this is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in shade Light 16. That tends to match with most foundation shades that I use. I feel like I'm 1/8 of the way to being really cute when wearing my glasses. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Matchstick in Amber to contour my nose. I feel like this step is important. Glasses can sometimes make my nose look 3 times as big. I used to basically sleep in my glasses. I really didn't want anyone to see me without them. Things changed and here we are. My whole look was based around my glasses for so long. The one main thing about wearing glasses and wearing makeup at the same time is getting those lines on your nose. You know, those little ovals? I haven't figured out how to get rid of that, but you can reduce it. If you powder a lot, I mean, it still leaves a red mark, but after a little while, that red mark will disappear and then I look normal again. Not that that matters if you're gonna be wearing your glasses the whole day and not taking them off. I'm gonna use the Hourglass the setting powder. It's translucent. One thing I really hate about wearing glasses is having to swap your regular glasses out with sunglasses is super annoying because you then need a pair of prescription sunglasses because otherwise I'm blind. It's not as easy as just popping on a pair of sunnies and popping them off. And then if you have contacts as well and have regular sunnies, you need 2 pairs of sunnies for the days you're not wearing your glasses. It's way too confusing. I just want it to be a regular human with regular eyesight. While we're here, I'm just gonna take that under my eyes a little. I just powdered under my eyes and I haven't concealed. Let's conceal. How to makeup. You know what? This is definitely the way to do it. You gotta powder and then conceal and then powder and stuff because everyone wants a little bit of extra. I'm just gonna go in with a really tiny bit. I'm using the Shape Tape in Fair Neutral, the one that's disgusting and still is, and I clean it and then it gets disgusting again. So I figured I'd just leave it to grow out. It's got its little growth that keeps getting bigger. I also think glasses are a great accessory for funsies. Also, you can get blue light glasses these days. Science, I think, says they do something positive. unless it's this big ploy to get you to spend money. Now we're gonna bronze. Now I don't want to go overboard, but I do want to give myself a cheekbone lift. Make my face look sculpted. I'm gonna use the Jouer palette. This palette's just sitting on my desk, so I figured I'd use it. We're gonna start with the lighter shade. I'm gonna go in with the Milani Berry Amore. Shade 3 in this little guy. Looks like a planet. Now, I don't want to look too flushed because it's a very youthful look, and I don't want to put it across my nose because I feel like wearing glasses, you're a little bit sophisticated, you're extra. I'm like totally stereotyping here. So I want to look kind of flushed, like, oh, yes, I have color to my face. I'm human. But at the same time, I don't want to be like, I'm a little girl. Yay, look at me. I'm so cute. Also, blush fades. Really fades out there. Gonna use the Fenty Killa Hustler Baby highlight. I like this one. It's nice. I'm gonna quickly go over and do my brows again. It really does not matter how your brows look because your glasses could very well be covering them. You could even erase your brows and no one would notice. See you in a sec. Brows are done, minimal effort. Now the eyes are important. I often find that glasses will make your eyes look bigger, so you don't want to ruin these. You don't want too much going on. I really just want to emphasize the eyeliner. I'm gonna use this Morphe little palette, 9B, the Bronzed Babe. I've used this one quite a bit. How's this close up? Is this too much? Too much of my face? I just want to create some definition with the eyes. I want to go in with Beach Please. I just also went underneath the eye. Now I just want to go over the top of my lid with a highlighter. I'm going to go in with the Eau Foresta Island highlight. It's a little lighter than the Fenty one I use. I'm going to go in with a black pencil liner because I want to smudge it out. I tucked my chair in too tight. I can't get out. I can't open my drawer. I'm just gonna grab like a little eyeliner brush. This one's just a little more disheveled. I'm gonna go in with the Benefit They're Real mascara, and then I'm gonna follow that with the Bad Girl Bang. I'm not gonna use lashes today. I don't know if you've ever tried to wear lashes with glasses, but it sucks. Would not recommend. So I'm just gonna use mascara today. I probably spend just as much time, if not more time, doing my lashes with just mascara. They just keep applying coats, thinking they can be taller, until the point that I can't blink because my eyelashes stick together. I feel like we're really starting to get close here. Let's put some lips on and then we can reveal the glasses look. There's nothing I hate more than putting on makeup without wearing my glasses or having contacts in because I just can't see anything and it ends up an absolute mess. It's bad for me. It's bad for the people looking at me. I'm wearing my contacts right now, thankfully. There was this one time I didn't think I was wearing contacts and put more contacts in my eyes and had double layered contacts, which I was thinking, why is my vision so weird and why can't I see well? That was a low point in my life. So I had to put an extra layer of protection for my lips. I'm gonna go in with this Kylie liquid lip, Koko K. It's just so drying on the lips. It does last a long time though, but your lips do get crusty. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the liner that came with it first. Oh wow, what happened to this? This line is actually so creamy, I probably could just wear the liner on its own. It's already starting to set into my lip lines. Maybe if I smile like this until it dries, it won't do it. So this is it. This is the final look. Do I look like a student that is very studious? But in all seriousness, if you want to look good in your glasses, you must do this makeup. This is really the only way you will look good or can look good wearing glasses. But in all seriousness, regardless of what makeup look you do or don't do, you'll look fine in glasses. I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna go read a book or something because what else do you do when you wear glasses besides read stuff and be educated? Am I gonna get in trouble for saying all of this? Is this bad? Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, follow me on Instagram at Amy_Leesha. You guys are great. I'm gonna go. Bye.